welcome back to my channel, the MBA Guinea Pig. I'm extremely excited to start a new series today, which is Job Life After MBA, connecting with other MBAs. So my name is Urvashi Jain and I make videos on everything MBA, that is how I prepared for CAT, my time at MBI Gurgaon and things I've been doing after passing out. आप सबके कमेंट्स पढ़ के मुझे बहुत बार ये फीलिंग आती है that people don't really know what to expect from your jobs after MBA and confusions regarding the specializations that you have to choose. And therefore, I came up with an idea that why not chat with people who have completed their MBA, also have completed at least 1 year of their job, and therefore will be able to guide you better as to what you can expect from jobs after MBA. Now, to begin with, I will not be asking any of the guests on my channel for this series कि वो पैसे कितना कमाते हैं, because like I've told you before, I do not think it's good etiquette to ask anybody what their package is, but I can tell you that everybody is on a comfortable package. With that, I have an extremely exciting guest today to begin this series with. That is my roommate from MBI Gurgaon. I've already done a video with her before, which I will be putting in the description box, and I will also be linking it towards the end of this video. We will keep continuing this series, so please watch till the end because I will be questioning her on some really good topics like how was her job in the first year and things like that. So please glue on. And Priyanka, can we please have you? Hi.
Hi.
So to begin with, Priyanka, can you please share your brief profile with the viewers?
Okay, so I'm an MBI Gurgaon alum, 2019 pass out, and immediately after I started working as a credit analyst with BNP Paribas, and I've completed more than a year now in my current profile. And in my current profile, थोड़ा सा brief description दे देती हूँ मैं कि I currently work on credit analysis portion. Basically जो भी loans आते हैं, basically there are relationship managers, the business team which brings in the loans, and these need to be analyzed कि you know their credit risk analysis, interest rate risk कि वो repayment हो पाएगी कि नहीं, जो companies को हम दे रहे हैं, are they strong enough to do that. So वो analysis is done by me. So that is my brief profile. And one more thing, all views expressed here are my own and don't represent that of my company or my college or any other brand that I'm associated with. That's it.
Okay. Priyanka, can you briefly share with us which background were you from, like the stream you were from before MBA and specialization you did during MBA?
Yeah. So I'm a commerce graduate from Mumbai University, and the specialization that I chose during my MBA was finance, and I did my minors in marketing. So, yeah.
All right. So, Priyanka, you told us that you're working at BNP Paribas right now, and I have some questions for you regarding that. So, to begin with, how has your first year of work life been? Did it go as per expectation, or do you feel it was different?
So totally different. As a fresher who has not worked before, I had completely different expectations. When I was in college, I used to think that my work would involve like say 70-80% analysis and valuation and all those technical skills that I was like completely armed with कि अब जाके कर लेंगे. But when you go into a job, there are a lot of different things also which come into play. For example, तुम्हें एनालिसिस करने के लिए पहले डेटा होना चाहिए, तो डेटा के लिए तुम्हें डिफरेंट टीम्स के साथ कम्युनिकेट एंड टीम वर्क एंड कोऑर्डिनेट करना पड़ता है कि भाई ये डेटा दे दो, वो डेटा दे दो. व्हेन if all of it is in place, then you start the analysis part. So there are a lot of other things which come into picture. So there's like 20% coordination, 20% communication, teamwork, presentation, and then then you do the analysis, then they come back to you, then there's rework, and then there's negotiation also. So बहुत सारी चीजें होती है. And as a fresher, I went in with the expectation कि completely analysis based होगा, थोड़ा work ex होता तो थोड़ा different expectation होती मेरी, I guess.
So what I'm getting from you over here is that there are also a lot of job is not just about sounding smart, I guess. It's also about a lot of things, like you said, कि rework 10 बारी तो rework ही आता है. जॉब mentally prepared नहीं हो तो हम तो मैनेजर होंगे. जॉब ज्वाइन करके rework क्या होता है?
हाँ भाई, हमें तो डिसीजन लेना सिखाया है, ये सब करना कब सिखाया गया हमें? we make the decision, we don't follow.
I completely
But yeah.
agree with you. I feel like that shocker came to me also when I joined them. I was like, I am a manager, but the bottom of the rung manager. With that, I'll jump to the next question. Were there any skills which you acquired during your MBA which are coming in very handy in your job right now?
So first of all, Microsoft Word, Excel, PPT making, these skills have helped me a lot. Basically, these are like, so I learned about Excel not only in college, but also during my summer internship. My project was completely Excel based. So these skills and PPT making, I, college के presentations, जो projects होते थे, group projects, plus, competitions and all, they really help you, कि raise your bar in terms of presentation. So these have been very helpful because as a management graduate, a certain level of, expertise in these things is expected from you. मतलब वो तुमसे पूछेंगे नहीं interview के time कि तुम्हें आता है कि नहीं, वो expected है and assumed है. So even if you don't know like all the Excel shortcuts, but एक basic level of comfort होना चाहिए in tools के साथ, so that when you go there, you are like कि उसके ऊपर कुछ भी सीख लेंगे खुद से types.
Right, agreed. Yeah.
So
anything these specific to finance which you learned and like is really helpful right now?
So there were 2-3 things. So for example, accounting standards related चीजें होती. So I think I forgot to mention in my description, I am a CFA level 2 as well, and so by virtue of that I've been like, मुझे एक बेसिक लेवल ऑफ IFRS, लोकल गैप, इंटरनेशनल US गैप, इन सब की एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. And when I do my financial analysis part in my current job, it really helps me. मतलब classification of different securities and थोड़ा और डिटेल में नहीं जाऊंगी, but it really helps you if you have a basic knowledge about those accounting standards, accounting, and then valuation also, जो हमारे कोर्सेज में सिखाया जाता है कॉलेज में. So एक बेसिक लेवल तुम्हें आता होना चाहिए. एंड बिकॉज आई एम इन क्रेडिट, सो मुझे फिक्स्ड इनकम की नॉलेज ने भी काफी हेल्प किया, जो CFA में एक सब्जेक्ट है, एज वेल एज हमारे कॉलेज में सिखाया जाता है if you take that particular course. So these things have been really helpful in the understanding part. So ये technical skills have been handy for me in my current job.
Understood. Okay. So which skills would you say कि you feel you should have learned during your MBA, or you just feel like even if you didn't learn during your MBA, there are skills which you feel that you require during your job and you've never learned before?
So first thing is कि I think I should have taken a course on banking products per se in my second year when we are allowed to choose courses and stuff. So एक मुझे लगता है कि एक banking का products का course ले लेना चाहिए था, but because I didn't have that मुझे idea नहीं थी कि I'll be working in banking, so I did not go forward with that course. And but I think I should have taken that. It would have been really helpful. Now also, even if I haven't taken it, मेरे मतलब office की repository होती है, knowledge bank and everything, I can refer that. But if I could have done it in college, I would have done it in college. Second thing would be, एक general मैं बताऊंगी तो हमें थोड़ा OB classes हुई करती थी हमारे college में first year में, organization behavior. So I feel that was more targeted towards कि जब तुम VP बन जाओगे या कुछ एकदम सीनियर मैनेजर लेवल पे तुम जब डिसीजंस ले रहे हो, तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल बिहेवियर कैसे होना चाहिए, कैसे पावर सेंटर्स स्पॉट करने एंड एवरीथिंग. बट as a fresher or as a recent MBA grad, तुम वो डिसीजंस नहीं ले रहे हो. तुम बेसिकली जैसे तुमने कहा कि एकदम लोएस्ट रंग वाले मैनेजर हो, एंड तो तुम्हें ये समझना है कि हाउ टू नेविगेट ओबी एट दैट स्टेज. तो आई थिंक थोड़ा वो फोकस होता अगर हमारा कोर्स, तो वो थोड़ा बेटर होता. थोड़ा जैसे हेल्प करता तुम्हें नेविगेट करने में कि क्या करना है, कहाँ कौन सी तुम्हारे पूरे जॉब में कौन सी चीज ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, इस चीज पे ध्यान देना चाहिए. जैसे मंडेन टास्क होते हैं एंड एनालिसिस पार्ट होता है. अब एनालिसिस पार्ट में हम इतना घुसे हुए होते हैं कि जो मंडेन टास्क होते हैं दे आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर आरबीआई रिलेटेड चीजें हो गई, उनको कोई डेटा प्रोवाइड करना हो गया, प्रोसेस हो गया, लीगल रेगुलेटरी प्रोसेसेस हो गए जिनके लिए हमें कहीं कहीं डेटा कहीं स्टोर करके रखना है बिकॉज ऑडिटिंग होती रहती है. नाउ फॉर अस टू जस्ट स्पॉट कि जाते ये चीजों पे तो एकदम फोकस कर लेना, जस्ट ओबी में कि ये चीजों पे फोकस कर लेना, एनालिसिस भी करना, बट ये सब टाइप
बेसिक्स कवर करो पहले. आई थिंक द फोकस वाज नॉट ऑन दैट. It was on being, like I said, you have to be intelligent, but not like meticulous. That was a virtue which is hard learned right now. Next question to you, Priyanka, is that since you were a finance aspirant, I just always felt like maybe I'm wrong, but everybody was always rushing towards investment banking on campus. So, do you feel like, since I know you are also not in investment banking right now, so do you feel like there are other avenues, and अगर होते हैं तो उसके बारे में पता कैसे करना चाहिए, क्या करें स्टूडेंट्स फिर?
सो जब तुम कॉलेज में जाते हो तो योर फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट इज योर सीनियर्स जो तुम्हें गाइड करते हैं कि तुम्हें क्या करना चाहिए. सो हम जैसे यूजुअली दे आर लाइक इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग ये वो, सो दे गेट दिस फ्रॉम देयर सीनियर्स and this is basically based on the subset of companies which come to campus. But there are a lot of other roles and a lot of other companies and surprise roles basically, because वो last year नहीं आए थे तो तुम्हें पता नहीं चलता कि ये आ सकता है. तो अगर आ जाता है तो
स्पेशली पता नहीं होता है. क्योंकि वो थे नहीं लास्ट ईयर.
हाँ, exactly. जैसे हमारे कैंपस पे there was a very good Kaufman role which came and we did not know how to respond or something क्योंकि नहीं समझ आता. सो इस केस में तुम्हें क्या करना है, इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट थिंकिंग कि यही सिर्फ कंपनीज है, नहीं, तुम्हें कोई भी कंपनी जो आ रही है कैंपस पे तुम्हें उसका रोल देखना है कि व्हाट रोल्स आर दे ऑफरिंग. इवन इफ यू हैवंट सैट फॉर देयर पीपीटी, आई थिंक एक आइडिया मिल जाता है जो बैठे होते हैं उस पीपीटी में कि कौन से रोल्स आ रहे हैं. एंड बेसिकली वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड कि कौन सा रोल आ रहा है, यू कैन जस्ट सी कि वो इनमें से कहाँ फॉल करता है. सो आई हैव जस्ट डिवाइडेड डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स बिकॉज ये बहुत कॉमन मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि कॉर्पोरेट्स में फाइनेंस रिलेटेड रोल नहीं होता, कंसल्टिंग में फाइनेंस रिलेटेड रोल नहीं होता. ऐसा नहीं होता है. इवन विद इन बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज इंडस्ट्री देयर आर सब सेक्टर्स. आई हैव डिवाइडेड देम. बैंकिंग अलग है, फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज अलग है, कॉर्प फाइनेंस के भी मैंने रोल्स लिख दिए हैं, एंड देन देयर इज कंसल्टिंग के भी रोल्स. सो इफ एनी corporate new companies coming to your campus, so if they are offering a finance role, don't just reject it outright ki I to want to go into core investment banking or core buy side or something like that. wo mat karna. That is the best way to understand about the role from the company itself. अगर तुम पीपीटी में नहीं बैठे तो do try to understand कि कोई finance role आया है तो कौन सा role आया है.
So guys, we just projected a chart where Priyanka has kind of explain the different avenues you may have in finance, and we will be uploading a separate video in which Priyanka explains those avenues in detail to the best of our knowledge. And if you feel that would be helpful to you, if you are a finance aspirant, you can just subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and then hope that when I upload the video you do not miss it. Okay, so we will be definitely putting that as well. So Priyanka, you were saying that do not outright dismiss any of the roles and like do try to find out. How do you feel MBA students can take better career decisions, or do you feel like you took an optimal decision? या कुछ missing होता है?
So one thing is कि जो भी हमारी specializations होती है, finance, marketing, strategy, operations, I feel कि आज की डेट में कोई भी चीज independent of technology नहीं है. हर चीज में टेक है. सो आई वुड, एक चीज अगर मैं दूसरी करना चाहती तो वो ये थी कि आई वुड हैव गॉन बैक एंड सीन कि मेरे चॉइस ऑफ करियर या मेरे चॉइस ऑफ स्पेशलाइजेशन के लिए व्हाट इज द बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री टेक स्किल्स दैट आई कैन एक्वायर. एज अ नॉन engineer, I always was very scared also of technical aspect. So वो एक चीज थी कि I never went towards it. But इतना difficult नहीं होता. Plus you are on campus with so many diverse background के people. Engineers भर भर के उनको use करो, उनको पकड़ो और बोलो कि भाई ये मुझे सिखा और मैं तुझे ये सिखाती हूँ, तो मुझे ये सिखा.
So I
So
feel
जैसे
like
for example, I'll give your example only. I remember you wanted to learn digital marketing.
yeah.
एंड में जाके तो this channel is ये डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सीखने की भी एक मोटिवेशन थी ये चैनल चालू करने की उर्वशी की. एंड इट हैज हेल्प्ड हर सो मच. शी नोज सो मच मोर अबाउट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग अब जब वो कर रही है खुद से. अब फर्स्ट ईयर में नहीं मिलता, बट सेकेंड ईयर में तो जरूर ट्राई करना कुछ करने
टाइम
का.
मिल जाता है. 6th trimester I guess I was like सारी रात माफिया खेलने से अच्छा है तो हम कुछ सीख ही लेते हैं नया. I remember you were reading so many books in 6th trimester. Like, अब क्या करें? कुछ करने को चाहिए.
Fun times.
Okay, anything
Yeah.
else which you want to share, which you feel will really help people over here to make better decisions in life, or just their expectation setting regarding MBA?
यार लाइफ का तो आई कैन नॉट से. आई एम आल्सो स्टिल लर्निंग. बट ये जो टेक वाली चीज मैंने कही है, यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. दो चीजें होती है, आई विल रियली इंसिस्ट ऑन इट. दो चीजों का एडवांटेज होता है कॉलेज में. एक टाइम का होता है और एक ह्यूमन कैपिटल का होता है, which is your professors as well as your colleagues. And nobody will say no to you if you want to learn something about their other field. So do
मना
make
कर
an
भी दे
effort.
तो सर पे ही चढ़ जाओ. नहीं ऐसे कैसे?
हाँ भाई, ये सब तुम कर सकते हो यार वहाँ पे, वो बहुत अच्छी बात है. तो डू ट्राई टू सी कि टेक में तुम्हारा कैसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री हो सकता है, तुम्हारा जो स्पेशलाइजेशन है. आई डोंट नो कहाँ हेल्प करेगा, बट कहीं वेस्ट नहीं जाएगा वो. तो डू ट्राई दैट.
Okay. Thank you so much, Priyanka. I had so much fun. I think I'll have a very hard time editing this video because I don't feel like any part needs to be missed out. So, like,
That's sweet of you.
I just hope that people also enjoy this series, job life after MBA, because I swear to God, I wish somebody was there to tell me these things. Being a firstborn, doing MBA for the first time in my immediate family. Like my dad did an MBA, but that was like 25 years back. तो ये सब कुछ पता ही नहीं था यार हमें, latest चीजें, trends वगैरह. So I hope people really connect to what we've shared today. And thank you so much. I really feel like things which you shared would definitely benefit my sister. Like she's going into MBA now. I hope you enjoyed the series.
I enjoyed it a lot. काफी मजा आया. बातें करने में तो हमेशा ही मजा आता है. एंड ज्ञान तो दुनिया भर का है, मैं बहुत दे सकती हूँ.
Guys, let us know in the comments if you liked this video, if you want me to continue this series, and if you want me to make more videos with Priyanka. Do not forget that I will also be uploading a video with Priyanka where she in detail explains about the various fields that we know of in finance. And if you know anything else in addition to what we shared today, please do drop it in the comment section below. With that, bye bye.